So currently, we've got Amazon PPC running. Oh, look at that. That's like some crazy freaking shit going on. We've got some PPC running on this particular business, which we are highlighting and going through in my advanced inner circle. There's a whole load of crap been going on with this particular business, but I think the sales are going pretty well right now. We seem to be doing okay. I think we had like it's doing like 50 sales a day, something like that. So it's going pretty well at the minute. And one of the things that we're doing for that is PPC. However, with regards to post-Christmas PPC, because this is a product that really, really suits Christmas, because it's a Christmas gift aimed at young kids. So after Christmas, what the hell happens then? Well, it depends really, because most of the time I have found I am making big sales on Boxing Day, and anecdotally, I believe those sales are coming from people who've had Amazon gift cards given to them over Christmas, and then there's on Boxing Day, you know, they're getting up and they're spending their Amazon gift card. So you can still make a lot of money in that kind of Boxing Day to New Year kind of sale period. Heaps of money to be made there. So if you have done your pre-Christmas build-up properly, so your SEO and that sort of stuff, you don't really need to mess around at all with that. The only thing I'm going to say to you is this. I have consistently found what happens is people run their campaigns, their PPC campaigns, up to the cutoff date for Christmas, which for us would be, I think it's like the 21st of December, something like that. And then they switch their PPC off. Now, that's actually a mistake to do that. If you are wanting to continue making sales, of course, that's a mistake to do that. But what you should do, let's just see if we can just go in there and just target one of them. This one I'll do, manual targeting. What you should do is you should optimize massively for your search terms. So let's just go into this one, basketball. And now I'm going to go to my targeting. And my targeting is just the search terms that we're bidding on, okay? And what you want to do every day is come in here and look at the suggested bid that Amazon is telling you to bid. Because this will change on a daily basis. It actually changes hourly, but definitely go in there and do this every day. Okay, so all you need to do, as you can see here, look, it says you've got your suggested bid, and you've got the bid range is between $1.13 and $2.16. What you want to do every day is bid the lowest margin of that. So this instance, it would be $1.13. So just change your bids to the lowest possible range, and that will be all you'll need to do for your post-Christmas optimization. But you'll save yourself a shitload of money, because whilst you're still running your PPC ads, your ads will become commensurately much cheaper. And the good thing about doing this is you continually tell Amazon to re-look at your campaigns and to you reignite them. It's actually a really cool thing to do. It's a really cool thing to do. So every day after Christmas, come Boxing Day, go in there and do that, and that will be pretty much the best thing you can do for your pre-Christmas PPC optimization. That's the very best thing you can do. It works really well. Hope that makes sense. Look at that for ACOS, 3% ACOS. That's pretty sexy. Spent $6, made $199. That's not too bad. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing. If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.